is losing on. They could make these watches available to Android users, which in the long run is going to make them even want to experience more by getting an Apple device. But just like Apple always does, they don't make this accessible on Android devices, which is a bummer. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, on the other hand, can be used on Android and iOS devices, so I'm going to give a plus to Oraimo in that department. Both devices are water resistant, so it can handle a little bit splashing, swimming, and stuff like that. When it comes to the battery life, that's where the Oraimo shines the most. Battery life is great on there. You can go days on a single charge. The same story can be said for the Apple Watch Series 3 though. You probably have to charge it mostly at the end of every day. Because of that, you can actually carry out a lot of sleep tracking because your watch will be on charge whilst you're going to bed. But the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, on the other hand, you can go like 7 days without a charge. So that's really cool. When it comes to battery life, the Oraimo shines in that department. So in conclusion, let me summarize everything. When it comes to design and build, the Series 3 has it. When it comes to screen, the Series 3 again. When it comes to performance, the Series 3 again. When it comes to compatibility, I'm going to give it to the Oraimo. When it comes to battery life as well, I'm going to give it to Oraimo. Let me know which of these you are going to go for. Especially looking at the price difference, I still think the Oraimo is a very good watch to pick up if you want an entry-level smartwatch with some cool features. Obviously, iPhone users are going to go for the Series 3 because of the ecosystem and the likes and stuff that you can do from the Apple Watch. And most Android users are going to choose the Oraimo maybe. So, I have a question for you guys, especially for the Android users. If Apple Watches were compatible with Android devices, are you going to pick one of them? Let me know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's comparison video. If you're new to this channel, of course, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Leave in the comment section any view, comments, or anything you want to know about these devices, as I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.